Another day, another port. Nandito kami ngayon sa Barcelona. Nandito kami ngayon guys sa Sagrada Familia. Ayan yung church. Very nice. Pero
hello mga ka-vlog. Dapat siya kay
sama mo pala sila. Boss Eric at Alex. Yan.
wala kang trabaho.
Forget work muna kami for today's video. And enjoy lang namin yung city and downtown dito sa Sagrada. And then later on, kakain kami and baka mag-Starbucks. Guys, naghahanap kami ng spot para sa perfect spot for a perfect picture. Dito, ayan o. Diyan o. Yaman! Galing lang namin ng Starbucks. Ngayon, kakain kami sa pinaka-famous na kainan dito.
Yeah.
KFC.
Finger licking good.
Kakain kami ng KFC, guys. Para kami mga bakasyonista.
Tabo lang words mamaya.
Alam mo, pagtas dito, pupunta ang hotel.
Lagay.
Kami na yung nagpipicture. Nadagdagan na yung mga taong nagpipicture, guys. Kasi kanina 9 o'clock pa lang ngayon. Ano na 10, mag-11 a.m. Marami ng mga turista.
Okay, to the next day.
So now, here's Mercat de la Boqueria, is a Barcelona's famous public food market located on La Rambla, known for its vibrant stalls selling fresh produce, meats, seafood, cheeses, and local specialties like jamon iberico. It's one of the major tourist attraction and historic landmark, offering everything from fresh ingredients for local chefs to ready-to-eat snacks like juices and tapas for visitors. After 3 hours of a shore leave, going to Sagrada, to the market, along the streets of La Rambla, we finally decided to ride a taxi going back to the ship from the market. It cost us around 35 euro, which we divided among us. It will be best if you go out with your group so you can share the fare of going back and forth to whatever destination you want to go to with a taxi.
Kuya vlog.
Yan! Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Guess ka? Excuse me. Dito po tayo.